Welcome along people to another one of my little videos. It's a miserable Saturday morning outside. It's persistently pissing it down. So I thought I would show you my new gloves. So the gloves are from Held, H-E-L-D, in case you can't understand my Irish accent. They've got Gore-Tex in them. They've even won awards in 2 different years, 2019 and 2020. Made of durable, versatile and reliable cordura, no less. Slightly disconcerting, it says fashion. I didn't think a motorcycle clothing was fashion accessory. Anyway, I did read further on, and it does say it is PPE, personal protection equipment. I never forgot what the E was then. Anyway, enough about what the labels say. Are they any good? I think they are. They've got 2 holes. And at this point, I'm going to cut away to a different camera angle. The 2 holes, one for higher temperatures, the bottom hole. If you're riding in the summertime, late spring or into summer, and I guess late summer into autumn, the temperatures can be higher. You'd like to think they'll be higher. So you'd put your hand in the lower hole and it allows your hand to be cooler. The upper hole of the 2 holes is waterproof and it's more of a thermal layer, so it keeps your hand warmer. I like the idea of the wider temperature range of these gloves. It means when I'm traveling, I don't have to carry 2 pairs of gloves. And yes, I have carried 2 pairs of gloves whilst touring. If it gets ridiculously hot, you really don't. And I know people harp on about it and moan about it every year, and I'm probably one of the ones who does that. You really shouldn't ride with the naked hand. I'm living proof. I've got a scar on my hand when I was riding my Honda 90 when I was 16, 17. Fell off of my bike at low speed, put my hand out to save myself, and and I've got quite a significant scar in the palm of my hand. So higher, much higher temperatures, above 23, 24 degrees, I would probably wear a small, light little glove. But generally speaking, I try to carry just 1 glove now if I'm touring. So below kind of +6, I would go for a significantly heavier, thicker glove. But then you're restricted in as much as you can't really feel all of the buttons and switches and stuff. But this glove is a little bit too heavy for spring, summer, autumn. It's a proper heavy winter glove. So the better option, I think, is a dual glove, and this glove with the 2 holes option. They allow for a wider temperature range. And to be honest, that's why I really like them. I have had gloves like this in the past, and I think that they worked quite well. This glove is obviously a Christmas present, so I'm not overly sure how this glove in particular is going to work. So I shall let you know. I should add, really, the fit is really nice. It comes with a little strap, 2 straps, one here and one on the inside to adjust the cuff. There is a palm abrasive section here. Protect if you do happen to put your hand out. There is protection across the back of the knuckles, little vents across the back of the fingers, and vents in the palm of the hand. These vents don't work at all if you have your hand in the upper of the 2 holes. If you have your hand in the bottom of the 2 holes, they work really well. So there you have it. The gloves are by Held. They're called Air and Dry. They're from the Sports Bike Shop and they cost £164. I am going down to the motorcycle show in XL next month. I've ordered my ticket. So if there's anything, any motorbikes or kit you would like me to look at, please let me know in the comment section below, and I shall try and do just that. So that's it. Until next time, people, take care of yourself, ride safe, try and keep out of the miserable weather. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.